Thinking about where to keep your money so it can actually grow? It's a question many of us face. You want security, you want convenience, and most importantly, you want a place that puts your cash to work. If you've been looking into high-yield options, you've probably heard of Poppy Bank's premier online savings account. But how do you actually get started? Is it complicated? The great news is, opening a savings account with Poppy Bank, especially their online premier account, is a straightforward digital process you can complete from almost anywhere. In this video, we're going to break down the simple steps to successfully open your new Poppy Bank savings account. First, the essentials. Before you begin the online application, make sure you have a few key things ready. You'll need a valid government-issued ID, like a driver's license, your social security number, and basic personal information like your date of birth, mother's maiden name, and current address. This is standard stuff, required by banking regulations to verify your identity. Step 1 is simple. Head to the Poppy Bank website. Look for the Open Account or Personal Banking section, and specifically select the Poppy Premier Online Savings option. This is the one that gives you the flexibility to apply online. Step 2. Fill out the online application. You'll enter all that personal information you gathered. The application will guide you through sections for your contact details, employment status, and security information. Take your time and make sure everything is accurate. Step 3. Fund your account. This is where you make your initial deposit. Poppy Bank typically allows you to securely link an existing bank account using a service like Plaid to transfer funds directly via ACH. Remember to check their current minimum opening balance requirement for the specific savings product you're choosing. Sometimes it's $1,000 or more to earn the advertised annual percentage yield. If you're approved during the application, you'll be directed to securely connect your external account right then. Step 4. Review and submit. Double-check all the terms, conditions, and disclosures, especially regarding any minimum balance requirements, fees, and the current annual percentage yield. Once you're comfortable, hit that Submit button. After submission, Poppy Bank will review your application. If it's approved, you'll get confirmation, and your new high-yield savings account will be ready to go. You'll then be able to enroll in online and mobile banking to manage your money, set up transfers, and generally keep an eye on your growing savings. It's that simple. Get your documents ready, follow the online prompts, and you'll be on your way to earning a competitive rate on your savings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.